Okay, now let's see how we can command the turtles, giving issue commands to our turtle by moving this turtle. There are different ways by which we can move this turtle. We can move this turtle forward, we can move this turtle backward, and we can also turn the turtle. So there are different commands that can help us to do all of this. Now, to move the turtle forward, we use the forward command, and the short form for forward is FD. So the forward command moves the turtle forward. Then we have the back command. The back command, BK, moves the turtle backwards to a given number of steps. So when we say FD to a number of steps, it moves the turtle forward using the turtle steps. So if I should give a specific number followed by the FD command, it moves in that particular number using the turtle steps. The same thing goes with the BK command followed by a particular number. So the BK command, that stands for back command, moves the turtle backwards. We are going to see. Let's look at how to make use of the forward and the back command before we go over to the set command. Now I have my turtle. Remember, I have my turtle. Please, a quick question: where is the place? What's the name of the place we can put our command? Anybody? 30 seconds. I need the answer. Good, I believe you've given me the answer. Okay, now it's called the input box. It's the input box we write all our commands. Now I want to move the turtle into 50 turtle steps. 50 turtle steps. So since I'm moving forward into 50 turtle steps, I have to give the command FD. Please, the command can be written in small and in block letters, but I always prefer block letters. It will be better when you put your command in block letters. Block letters are capital letters. Okay, so we say FD 50. Press enter. Can you see the turtle has drawn 50, has moved 50 turtle steps? I can still do FD 200. You see what it has drawn? Okay, now if I want to move the turtle backward, it's very easy. I can do BK. BK is for back. BK 100. The turtle have moved backward 100. So you see, it's very easy to actually move the turtle to draw things on the screen. Now let me see something. Let me see how this thing works. Let me press the reset button. I press the reset button. It has reset everything on the graphic screen. Okay, we said earlier that the reset button helps to clear the logo output screen. Let me do it again. FD 200, BK 100, and I press reset. Bam! It clears everything on the graphic screen. It clears everything on the graphic screen. But you might be asking, if it clears everything on the graphic screen, what happened to the text we have here in our record list box? What happened to the text? We can also clear it. The short form to clear it, the command to use in clearing text is the clear text command, while the short form is CT command. So let me just do CT. Bam, we've cleared the text. We can also clear the graphic screen, but before that, let me draw something. FD 200. Okay, now I want to clear the graphic screen, and I also want to clear the text, because if I click on reset will only clear the graphic screen. If I type CT here, CT will also only clear the text. What if I want to clear both of them together? I can do CSCT. CS stands for clear screen, while CT stands for clear text. I can combine it together. Look at it. I put CS, give a space, and do CT. Two commands. When I press enter, it clears the text that we have in our record list box, and it also clears the graphic screen. I hope this is very easy for you to do. Logo is very interesting. We'll see how to use it. Now we have started learning how